How long does the OTouch Shivan 3 masturbator take to warm up using the heating function? That's an excellent question, and today I'll be telling you how. So the OTouch Shivan 3 itself has a warming function. Now the warming function isn't instant. It takes some time to warm up, and we would always recommend it takes 10 to 15 minutes. You can also set this setting on before the vibrations start. So to turn on, push and hold down. You'll hear a buzz, and of course you'll see the control panel at the top. The warming function is the top. Press and it will start to flash, indicating it's warming up. You can leave this for a couple of minutes until you actually start your session, meaning the OTouch Shivan 3 has time to warm up and you can enjoy wonderful warming sensations during use. To turn off the warming function, simply press back up again and it's now off. To turn off the OTouch Shivan 3, push down. You'll hear that same buzz and it indicates the toy is now off. Did you find that video helpful? Why not take a look at our other product FAQ videos in this collection? If you have a question for us, we'd love to hear it. Why not drop your comment below and we'll take a look at it for you.